Hello everyone, it's Bob. Yeah, Bob. Listen, a lot of people have asked me. They say, Bob, where do you get the water out in the desert? You know, how do you find water out in the desert like that? Well, you just drive over to the gas station. You go over to the gas station. Or a convenience store. Most of these gas stations have a convenience store right next to it. Or if you're near a Walmart or anything like that, you'll see these machines. You'll see these. Most of them are colored blue or white, and it has a big sign that says water. There's a big sign that says water. Now some people will drive around all day to get to 20 cent a gallon water compared to the 25-cent gallon water. And I figure, why spend $10, $20 in gas to get 20 cents a gallon when I prefer the 25 cents a gallon water, but that's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, once you find the machines at the gas stations and you pull up alongside, make sure you have your jugs ready, your gallon jugs. Now, I've done this before. I've gone up to the machine and I've put my quarter in. If it's a 25-cent machine, you put the quarter in, or you could put 2 dimes in a nickel, or you could put you could put a dime and 3 nickels, or you could put 2 dimes. Okay, so you put I'll show you right here how you do it. You see where it says press that button right there? You see that button where it says 25 cents? You press it. Okay. Now make sure you got your jug in there. Make sure your jug's in there. And a lot of times I forget to take the cap off. The cap off the jug. A lot of times you'll be standing there, all of a sudden all this water's falling out on the sidewalk there and stuff. People are looking at you. People are walking by looking at you. The water's all over the place, and it spurts right out, and people are looking at it, and you realize you got the lid on the jug. Now, so make sure you take the lid off the jug. Okay, let's refresh this again. First you see the side that says water. You come over there. You take the jug. Make sure your lid's off. You put the jug inside there, underneath the nozzle there. Underneath the nozzle. There, you got this? You got this? You put the jug inside there, underneath the nozzle, and then you put your quarter in, or 2 dimes in a nickel, whatever. If you got 20 cents water, if you got the 20 cents water, you put in still put in a quarter. You're gonna get a nickel back down. Don't forget your change. Don't forget your change on that now. Okay? So you put your money in, you press the button, and the water will come down there. You'll see it. You'll see it, and you'll see the water coming into the jug. And that's how you get your water in the desert. Or you could go to a rodeo and where they water the horses. And just go to the rodeo. Just go to any rodeo. You see a rodeo out there. You see a sign that says rodeo. You go to the rodeo, and you go and you just pull your rig right in there, and you pull it right in. Pull it right in. Come on, back it up. Pull it right into the rodeo, and you bring your jugs out. Fill your jugs up over there by the horses. Thank you. That's how you find it. Thank you. This is Bob. How do you find water in the desert?